Hello?
Yeah.
Hi, can I get the small salted caramel iced cappuccino, the new one?
Yeah.
Just
And
one.
that,
Yeah, just one.
it's 314.
Okay, thank you.
Salty.
Damn, 314, bro. For that? Almost $5 for a little drink. Oh my gosh, this better be amazing. I credit? Thank you. Thank you. This better be the flat cappuccino, you know? Oh, that's a lot of money. Let's get to it, guys. And I just need my oil change. I got a free movie ticket. I get the email saying whenever I get a win for the car, the windshield and all that stuff, anything free, guys, show them your phone. Yes, it's free. Thank you so much. Bye. Oh, this looks really good. Mmm. Oh my gosh, guys. Ooh. Look at the smell, though. I'll be back. Hold up. Shit, let me go park up somewhere. Hey yo, what's good everybody? Fly Lopez here with another fly video. Alright guys, this is a taste test video, alright? Because I love doing taste test videos. Anything that's new that comes out, I love tasting it. As in chips, as your mom, as in drinks, as in hamburgers, as in pizza, everything. But yeah, this is a salted caramel one. Let's get it filming. Ooh, look, it's gonna drip almost. Guys, the smell, like I said before, it smells so good. Guys, thumbs up this video if you like ice cap. The last one I had was a chocolate ice cap. It was a new one, amazing. This one, wow, I think this one might beat it. I think this is my favorite ice cap actually. Put the cream mix. Look at that. Wow. Guys, I have to, honestly, what I have to say about this drink, go out and buy it if you like ice cap. Really good. I just went to Mr. Loop and I got a free movie ticket. Yeah, free movie ticket. This costs like 15 bucks for a ticket. So anything, I got in my email saying, yo, you got a free movie ticket, that's gonna be the oil change. I'm like, hell yeah, I'm gonna take it. That's like 15 bucks. So guys, I don't wanna go alone. But yeah, if you want me to hook me up with your sister, your mom, your girlfriend, or just give me a girl, that's perfect. I'll go with her, you know? I don't wanna throw this to waste, guys. This is so far I think my favorite one because I love caramel. It's either between this one or the chocolate ice cap. Those are my two favorite ones. Maybe this had like the chocolate chips in it or the caramel chips, it'll be 5 out of 5. Since it doesn't have it, I give it a 4. 4 out of 5. So I think So far it's tied with the chocolate chip one. Yeah, they're tied. Cause the other one had chocolate chip in it. I love that, right? This has nothing in it, just has a caramel in it. So like I said, 4 out of 5. So it's tied with the chocolate chip ice cream. What ice cream? Ice cup. Mmm. Tastes really good though. This is a small. It's pretty big for a small. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go now. Oh, brain freeze. Brain freeze. So guys, let's get this video about to 20 likes, 20 comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Just remember one thing though, I'll be back though. Yeah. Stay fly.